Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Technology channel. In this episode we are going to talk about our basic programming, and subject is arithmetic operations. You are going to see that you have no reason to worry about arithmetic operations with R because everything is so straightforward. So if we type something like 10 plus 2, if we run this code, we are going to get our result. Everything works the same for every other arithmetic operation, like subtraction. Run it again, so we are going to get 8 in this case. For now I'm going to assign value of 10 to variable a, and I'm going to print a plus 10. Run it, we are going to get result 20 as expected. If you want to create sum of multiple values, you could use function sum. Let's say we are going to have a as first element, a as second element, and for example 1 as third element. If we run this code, we are going to get 21. Easy and as expected. If you want to multiply values, you could do it in the same way. So a times 2, run it, we are going to get this result 20. If you want to divide, for example, a by 3, run this code, we are going to get 3.33. But now, if you don't want this number with a floating point, what you could actually do? You could use a function, let me show you, sailing, like this. With this function, we are going to get first integer bigger than this result. So if I run this code, we are going to get 4. And now I'm going to show you another thing. And now if you want to get first integer smaller than a divided by 3, you are going to use this a double percent sign, divide, and 3. If we run this code, we are going to get 3 as a result. And if you want to get modulo number, only thing that you have to do is to divide a by 3, but you are not going to use this divide sign, you are just going to use double percentage sign. I'm going to run this code, and yes, we got 1. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Now if you want to create power of this number, only thing that you have to do, use your number, your base number, then this hat sign, and let's say square. I'm going to run this code, and yes, I got result 100. Also, we could use functions for arithmetic operations like sine of a, cosine of a, and let's say logarithm of a. Save it, run it, and yes, we have our results. And what about brackets? If we type something like this, a means 10 times 8 minus 2. This is what we are going to get. We got 78. Why? Because multiplication is older mathematical operation than subtraction. If you want to multiply a by 8 minus 2, you are going to use brackets. So in this case, first R is going to calculate values within brackets, and then it's going to proceed to calculate rest of the equation. So now we are going to get value 60. So guys, I believe that there is no reason to go into some deeper explanation about this subject. Everything is so easy and so straightforward. So please like, subscribe, and see you in next episode.